One thing I lacked in business, I lacked perseverance. The moment when I get defeated, I will view that as something negative. I will tell myself, but I started off well, and can I finish what I've started? And many a times I would quit, I would give up. Why? Because of temporary defeat. Do not allow temporary defeat to sabotage your mission, your vision. Temporary defeat have a seed that you need to nurture so that you can persevere through the temporary defeat, which is not permanent defeat. People confuse the two. People think, temporary defeat equals permanent defeat. No, you are being tested. You are being tested. That's your test you are writing. So, in all the businesses I have started, I lacked perseverance. So, let us make a promise to persevere through the hardships, the trials, the tribulations. You must go through that in order to unlock the new version of yourself, the boldness, the confidence, the courage, the risk-taking, becoming better, smarter, wiser. You have to pass the test of perseverance. Let's try that.